And so you don't need to answer now, but just think about your company, think about your kind of global environment. If you're with a global company, like where are you in terms of your pricing analytics and optimization journey, right? Are you level one where we do price analytics, but it's in a bunch of random workbooks and we kind of recreate things over and over? Or level two, we have some standardized Excel templates, right? Or three, where some of this stuff is actually in Tableau or Power BI or some other BI tool that we use in our stack, but we have some nice descriptive analytics and we can filter by time frame and brand and competitor, et cetera, et cetera. Or do we actually have an integrated predictive and somewhat prescriptive analytics capability for our price optimization? And it's also reproducible, right? And it's automated or semi-automated, where it goes through a review cycle before we approve things. Or are we at level 5, which is we not only have the tools, the reproducibility, the consistent data integration, but it's now part of an actual operating system where every month when we go into commercial reviews, we review the outputs of the actual modules and the actual dashboards.